Kurumzari, Maku Media News tagi pumna maputaram na okjari, aigi ming Mayembam Sonia, August 12, 2026 ki maru eba pausing bizari. Headlines: Imphal Guwahati Bus chenba houkhre, CM na Japan da thabak phangjariba Manipur nupi-nupa tougadabagi flag of toukhre. Manipur-gi ruling party MLA-singna Delhi da Union Textile Minister unakhre. KIMACS amasung nupi organisation-singna Census houdringeida NRC update tougadabani haiduna demand toukhi. State Cabinet na teacher Nisiamagachani Pamari Buganitoy recruit tougadabagi approval pikhre. TNLUCM COCOMI amasung organisation kayana condemn toukhre. Tronglaobida acttack chennaba mi sing Assam gi jail da thamkhre. HCS na entrepreneurship promote townaba houkhre. Jokarna NRC gi maramda mahaki wakhalon haiki. Pek violate tourabadi SOC abrogate cancel to haina MN na JMZ da hairi. JFJ convener gi mahak na FIR register toukhre. LNCM na government da wahang hangli. Dem University amasung Dem College of Commerce na World Entrepreneurship Day observe toukhi. Greater Imphal Guwahati Association na Manipuri NRC tougadabani haina demand toukhre. Education organisation-singna August 12 fauba school college amadi university suti thadopa adu condemn tauri. RSS National President na DIP sing sep oihannaba aduga Census ki mamangda NRC chathananaba houkhre. Retired person ama additional chief engineer oina appoint toukhre. Science ERC na Khelo India program sport development amadi young talent singbu semgatkhi. Manipur Cricket Association na September 22 da Yankhaimathoi AGM togani haiki. AMIMYDO Sub Junior Boys Volleyball Tournament title phangjariba. Laitonjam Chenba na Junior National Aquatic Championship oikhre. AAI na North East ki technical amasung non-executive staff singbu Dibugra Airport da 3-day training pikhre. Ngasigi pau sandokna bizari. Imphal Dimapur Guwahati Bus Service ani chahi ahumgi matungda houki. Mi chamaga kunmanga na bus amadi winger singda chatli. Masina Manipur da free movement amuk hanna hanjilapagi mamita ba horakle haina phongdokli. Sem Yunnan Kenchana Japan da thabak phangjariba Manipur nupi-nupa tougadabagi flag of toukhi. Japan da leirabasu makhoina Manipur oiba aigi matamda thajaba amadi nungsiba adu thagatningai ni haiki. Dasanga Express. Manipur-gi ruling party MLA-singna Delhi da Union Textile Minister Giriraj Singh bu unakhi. Makhoina Census houdringeida NRC update tougadabagi matam adu khangnaba amasung illegal immigrants singbu khandoknaba haiki. Dasanga Express. KIMACS amasung nupi organisation-singna Census tougadabagi matungda NRC update tougadabani haiduna protest toukhi. Makhoina Manipur-gi indigenous mi singbu khangnanaba NRC asi mamangda tougadabani haiki. Dasanga Express. State Cabinet na Ojal Nisiamagachani Paga Marifuganitoy recruit tougadabagi approval pikhre. Samagra Shiksha gi makhada Oja Chatraga Nimfuganitoy amasung pre-primary Oja Lisiamaga Chamaga Nimfu recruit tougani. Cabinet na Severance Project Port Person Special Appointment Policy Tertiary Rules amadi ex-acniber reservation phangnanaba policy singbu approve toukhre. Dasanga Express. TNLUCM COCOMI amasung organisation kayana peaceful protest tauba mi singda security force na force sizinaduna injury phanghanba adu thina condemn tauri. Dasanga Express. Tronglaobida terror attack case da NIA na arrest toukhiba S Palal thodobu Assam gi jail da judicial custody da thamkhre. Dasanga Express. Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai na Manipur asi entrepreneurship hub ama oiba ngamgani haiki. Nupa-nupi young mi singna innovation amadi business thabak phangani haiki. Dasanga Express. Former Deputy CYM Joykumar na public ki NRC demand bu yenglaga center na census houdringai mamangda NRC update toba yai haiki. Dasanga Express. Meite Alliance su agreement gi conditions sing violate toure haiki aduna joint monitoring group na agreement adu abrogate tougadabani haiki. Dasanga Express. NRC update tawraba matungda census tougadabani haiba JFT movement gi maramna Governor Jitendra Ningombomda FIR tawri. Mahakna police station da report tawba matungda movement asi peaceful oina sathagani haiki. Desanga Express. Langmai Naga Council Manipur na mi taruk Langmai Naga Mengi case da justice phangde haiduna government bu question tawri. Council na case adu da action amasung accountability tougadabani haiki. Asi Manipur-gi community kayagi attention amasung justice issue gi saruk ama oiri. Desanga Express. DM University amasung DM College of Commerce na World Entrepreneurship Day orjab toukhi. Entrepreneurship singgi thabak adu sengatpa amasung student-singna creativity, innovation ama business da chatpa ngamnana ba program toukhi. Greater Imphal Guwahati Association na Manipur da NRC tougadabagi demand adu support tawri. Makhoi na transparent amasung lawful process ama matungda illegal immigrant amasung Indian citizen singbu khangnana ba haiki. Desanga Express. Education organisation-singna August 10 kunitoi fawba school college amadi university suti thadokpa adu condemn tawri. Makhoi institution suti thadokpa na Manipur-gi crisis adu solve tawde. Desanga Express. RSS National President Sohan Giri na Manipur-gi internally displaced people sing safe oina makhoi-gi lakaida amuk hanjilakadabani amasung 1980 best year sizinadunai NRC tougadabani haiki. Desanga Express. MTDC Employee Association na retired person amad additional chief engineer oina appoint tawba adu da consent toukhi. Mahakna employment adugi maramda government amasung authorities singda khangnanaba haiki. Desanga Express. Sai NERC na Khelo India program port development amadi young talent singbu singapa amada training injury prevention amadi grassroots development asi yamna darka oi haiki. Desanga Express. Manipur Cricket Association na September 23 yankai AGM togani haiki. Club amadi District Cricket Association-singna authorized representative thokpa yai haiki. Desanga Express. AMIMYDO mayang Imphal na DBA Thaubalbu ahumdagi amas defeat tawduna 25 sub-junior boys volleyball tournament title thamkhre. Naitonjam Chenba 52 Junior National Aquatic Championship da Group 1B Boys 200 meter butterfly da gold medal thamkhre. Mahakna minute aniga second ahum point 73 na swim tawjaduna mamangi minute aniga second trago humdoi point 20 national record adu break tawkhre. Day 1 da silver thamkhraba matungda asi mahaki yamna maru oiba comeback ama oirami. Desanga Express. EAI na Northeast ki technical amasung non-executive staff singbu Dibugra Airport da 3-day training pikhre. Training da aircraft crash fire tender gi operation maintenance amadi safe handling maramda practical training pikhre. Program asi August 19 fawba thoki. Desanga Express. Nasigi oina Maku media gi pawmatang asida losinjare khurumjari.